Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so for this week's video, I decided to rearrange and organize all my makeup using Dollar Tree items. So at first when I started doing this, I actually went on Amazon looking up things, and everything was like $15 to $20 each, and it started adding up in my cart up to over $100, and I was like, yeah, can't do that. Anyways, so I decided to go to the dollar store, figure out what I could do. Hi. Figure out what I could do, and this is what I came up with.
Got done shopping at the dollar store for the things I need for my makeup area. I spent over I think it was just $14 I have to look at the receipt again, but I found a lot of good things. Honestly, it's worth checking out. There's only like one or two things I have to actually put together or glue together, so let's just see how it goes.
Okay, so I got like 10 to 11 things at the dollar store, and this is what I found. Okay, first of all, I found this cute little drawer thing. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet. Let's just see. Also found this really cute thing. So on Amazon, they were selling these for, I think it was like $12.99. I don't know, but they were for your compacts, like your blush or highlighter. Then I got these two little jars. Also got this, and it actually has like nail polish stuff on the picture right here. Oh, put my camera. But I thought maybe I could put like my lipsticks and all my like lip gloss. And then I got these two little containers, or it says organized basket. I found it in the cooking aisle, so I kind of think it's just like organizing like your kitchen utensils. So I thought of putting my eyeliner in here instead. I'm trying to take off this sticker. Trying to show you because I kind of tested it out in the store. So these have little hooks on it. See right there, and you could actually hook these on together. Let me get it together. Look at that. See? Cool. Let's see, what else did I get? I got this. I don't know if this is gonna work. I kind of Googled this. I looked on Amazon. Literally a roll of I think it's called compact paper, basically to decorate your drawers. It was like $15. I found this at the dollar store. I thought it was a really cute design, and it goes like kind of with my theme here, pink, black, and white. And I really hope it works. I really do. I got glue, so if it doesn't work, I'll make it work. And this is the one project I really hope it works. So I got napkin holders, and I'm kind of gonna glue them together like this, and I'm gonna put my eyeshadow palettes. So this way, when I open my drawer, my makeup drawer, I'll show you guys right now how it looks. But my eyeshadow palettes, because you'll see them right there. It'll be all arranged. Really hope it works. And that's it. That's all I got. Okay guys, so I went ahead and cut a piece of the compact paper, and I need to cut another piece because it kind of like needed a little bit more. But let's see how it goes. I already wiped it down, make sure it's not dirty or anything. Had to wait for it to dry. Hopefully this turns out okay. after that, the next thing I'm gonna do, I think, is to glue these two together to make my little eyeshadow palette holder. Okay, so while that glues, well, I'm gonna let it sit for overnight. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna start putting in all my makeup, organize it the way I want. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. So the napkin holders actually ended up working. It stick together and it ended up holding 4 eyeshadow palettes in each one. I need to go get another one and glue it on. I just have these standing onto it. The 2 glass jars I ended up using for my tiny rubber bands and my big rubber bands. The lipstick holder out in the corner. And then these containers I ended up using for my eyeliners, mascara, and eyebrow stuff. In this little drawers, I put my individual eyeshadow, blush, and my highlighters. And then in this compact organizer, I put my foundations, correctors, and primers. These 2 are the only ones I did not buy at the dollar store. I'll put a link down below where I got these and how much. These basically hold my Q-tips and my cotton pads to clean my face. And on top I have my tweezers and eyelash glue. And then this holds all my brushes. I actually wanted one with the lid because since this is in a drawer, I kind of figured it'll collect up dust and I don't want that on my brushes and then on my face, as well as my beauty blenders. And yeah, overall very satisfied with my beauty corner.